variations of a real carrot. We're going to put it in our ice water. We're going to take out one we previously made. Then we're going to take our chocolate carrot and some whipped cream and just fill it up. So we're just going to finish filling our chocolate carrots. Next, we're going to take our green candies and we're going to cut right here, going to cut right here. We're going to take our leaf and put it right in our carrot. I'm going to put our carrot there, and we'll take this and go to the freezer. So we have some glass bowls. We're just going to take our mouth and put it like so. Now we're going to take some oil and we're just going to brush the outside of our bowl like so. So we're just going to finish painting. Now we're going to take a Lola full of melted butter and just start painting our dough. We're just going to finish putting our softened butter on our dough. Next, I've cut 2 strips of parchment paper, and that's just so when we put our cinnamon sugar on, we'll be able to have 2 edges that meet without the cinnamon sugar on. So we're going to take a Lola full and just dust all over. Next, we're going to remove our parchment paper, like so. Then, we're going to meet both sides of our dough and take our knife and just start to cut. The idea here is to cut some small strips. So we're going to finish cutting. Next, we're going to take our first strip of dough. What we're going to do is start in the center of our bowl and just wrap around like a cinnamon roll. Then we're going to keep going in this same pattern, and we're going to wrap around our bowls that we've had grease. So I'm just going to add my ears to my reindeer, and then I'm going to put the antlers on like so. And next we're going to cover it with a damp towel and let it rise. After our dough has risen, we're going to remove our towel, and we've just beaten an egg, and we're going to egg wash our cinnamon rolls, and then our cinnamon reindeer is going to go into the oven. So our cinnamon roll is out of the oven and cooled, as you can see, and we've already went ahead and taken out our bowls. We're going to take our cream cheese icing and pipe the nose, pipe our eyes, and then our antlers. And then we're going to take our melted red white chocolate. We're going to finish pouring our chocolate over like so. Then we're going to take our truffle. This is going to be our reindeer eyeball. Put our other eye right there. And then we're going to take our red nose and squish out our cream just a bit. Then we have our cut pokey sticks, and we're going to create some eyelashes. Then we're going to take our carrot and place that right here.